Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have an account and a backup. Now start customizing. First, pick a responsive template so your site works on phones and desktop. Once done, upload your logo and set your primary color scheme using hex codes. This ensures brand consistency. Then create 3 main menu items to guide visitors. Make sure to export XML backup before big changes. That way you can revert quickly. These steps set a solid base and prevent layout issues later. Now focus on structure. Open the layout editor and add essential gadgets like search, social links, and an HTML/JavaScript widget for custom snippets. Move sidebar elements to reflect content priority. Place subscribe and popular posts near the top. Once widgets are placed, adjust column widths for balance. This improves readability. Then open Theme Customize Advanced and paste custom CSS to tweak fonts, margins, and colors. This combination of layout and CSS lets you precisely control look and function. Finish by refining posts. Set clear permalinks, add labels, and upload featured images so social cards display correctly. Preview the site on desktop and mobile to confirm responsive behavior and test load speed. Slow widgets can be removed. Once satisfied, publish and monitor analytics. If something breaks, first isolate custom CSS by disabling snippets. If that fails, restore your exported XML backup. This troubleshooting flow quickly identifies the issue and gets your blog back online with minimal disruption.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.